Thaw L1000 is an automated dry thawer that you can use for controlled, consistent thawing of cellular products in cryobags. Thaw L1000 is intended for research or manufacturing use only. To thaw, use the control panel to choose your thawing profile and customize it if needed. Place your frozen cryobag on the thawing tray. The flexible bed will mold to its shape for efficient heat transfer. This feature means the instrument can fit multiple bag brands with any volume between 10 and 275 milliliters. Once you start the thawing process, the agitators begin prodding the cryobag surface to gently mix the contents. The infrared sensors monitor the temperature of the cryobag to trigger steps and alerts as needed. The Thaw instrument notifies you when the process is complete or if any unexpected interruptions occur. Connect your Thaw instruments to Chronicle automation software to recover process records, synchronize thawing profiles across multiple units, and enable electronic standard operating procedures and batch records. Thaw L1000 Dry Thawer provide automation that non-controlled systems and manual thawing can't, giving you consistent quality for CGMP-compliant thawing. To learn more, contact Cytiva for a demo.